Cellular service is important for business, but indoor cellular problems for the workplace have traditionally been time-consuming and expensive to resolve. Densification of base stations or small cells can lead to increased interference. Introducing the Cel-Fi Quatra in-building enterprise cellular system. Based upon award-winning Cel-Fi design principles, Quatra takes enterprise-class service simplicity to new levels at a much lower cost than existing solutions. A single Quatra system is comprised of a network unit and up to 4 coverage units. The network unit connects to the operator's network using built-in antenna or external antenna. Alternatively, it can be connected to a small cell. The cellular signal is then distributed to the coverage units. The coverage units amplify the signal and light up the building from the inside out. If your signal source is from a small cell, the combination of the small cell and the Quatra system creates a supercell. Connections from the network unit are made with dedicated Cat5 cables. Power is delivered to the coverage units over the same cables from a single power supply located at the network unit. If the cable run to any coverage unit exceeds 100 meters or 325 feet, you can use the Quatra range extender to extend this distance up to 200 meters or 650 feet. A single Quatra system can support between 10,000 and 50,000 square feet. For larger areas, multiple Quatra systems can be used together and will self-organize. Both the network unit and coverage units are supplied with easy-to-use mounting brackets. The Quatra system supports the following wireless features: WCDMA, HSPA+, LTE with MIMO and supported networks, up to 100 dB of system gain in each band simultaneously, peaceful coexistence with Wi-Fi, femtocells, and cellular devices, advanced digital echo cancellation and channel select filtering algorithms, automatic gain control based on fast real-time echo cancellation. Once your system is commissioned, you can track performance or manage it remotely from the cloud from any internet browser. If anything needs your attention, the system can let you know by email or text. Contact the team at Nextivity to find out more about the Cel-Fi Quatra in-building enterprise cellular system.